welcome back to my channel. I'm Jordyn, and today we're going to be adding too many ingredients into my slime. And I'm going to be adding too much cereal. First, I'm going to start out with the slime base, and I'm just going to be doing a white fluffy slime. Whoa! I love that sound. It's still so sticky, but so soft. Now that I have my white fluffy slime, it's time to add the cereal. I'm so excited for this. We're just gonna stop it. Oops, I did not mean to do that. It slipped on me. I was gonna say we're gonna start off with a little bit, but it seems like the bag did not want that and just fell on me. So now we're starting off with a lot. Oh, this feels so good. Oh my gosh. Looks like the cereal's in milk. Oh, that sound. This looks like a pretty good amount, but we are adding too much. So we're gonna add so much more. So we're one box in. It smells really weird. It smells like the cereal with shaving cream. Not the best smell ever, but it feels so good. It feels like you're making Rice Krispies treats with the marshmallow. It just is, I can't get over how good it feels. Now we're gonna open another box and add it all in. Let's get box number 2 mixed in. Where's the slime at? Oh, it's all the way. Oh, this is so much. It's getting so hard. So originally we were gonna add 3 boxes, but it's already getting hard to pull and stretch. So we're just gonna finish off box 2 and call it a day. For the rest and like the whole of the mama. It's a pretty deep hole though. Look like a black hole, rainbow hole. 3, 2, 1. That's my breakfast. Okay, so we just gotta get this last bit mixed in. Oh, that sounds so good. That feels so good. How far back does it? Oh my gosh! It did not mix in at all. This is so... Is there even... Oh, there's like barely even slime at the bottom of this. This is crazy. It's like, it was like a secret cave of Fruity Pebbles. Oh, they're not mixing. They're just falling out the holes. Oh my gosh. Guys, no more will mix in. They're just falling out the holes and they just won't stick to it. There's too much. There's way too much. Oh my gosh. They're falling out. The mixed ones are falling out now. I think we succeeded on adding way too much cereal. This is nuts. I can't mix anymore. I think this is the slime, guys. It's not stretchy. Everything is just falling out of it. Oh, this is crazy. I had way too much fun with this. I can't wait to do another one. Guys, comment down below what you think I should add too much of in my next slime. Also, comment down below what's your favorite cereal. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Do all that fun stuff. All that fun stuff. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye! Love you!